Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back. This is your girl Gurishkar. In today's video I'm here to teach you all how to create the classic Kim Kardashian everyday nude makeup look. It's very carryable, very chic yet classy. So if you want to know how I create this nude glam makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so to start with the Kim Kardashian recreation, we got to go down to the basics. And if you've noticed, Kim Kardashian always has this matte, very sort of blurry base makeup going on, and to recreate that today I'm going to use the Lotus Eco Stay Insta Smooth Perfecting Primer. So this one is a silicone based primer. It's gonna mattify our T-zone as well as also give it that smooth sort of a blurred appearance to our pores. I'm gonna start pressing it right here on my cheeks area and on my nose, because that's where I have more of a visible pore issue. And this is gonna help and mattify and blur this area. Alright, and next I'm gonna move ahead with some foundation. For that I'm gonna use the Lotus Pure Radiance foundation. It's the Matte Glow Daily Foundation. It also has SPF 20. Kim always wears very bronzy foundations, maybe slightly even darker than her skin. As well as if you have noticed, foundations are always matte. Again, the same concept of having a matte blurry base. And this foundation is gonna do just the trick for us today. I'm just gonna blend that out with a sponge for like a non-cakey finish. The foundation is all blended in and looks beautiful, like absolutely stunning. Love the finish of the foundation. It's matte yet it's hydrating. It's not super glowy, neither is it like drying matte. So it's a very comfortable matte finish. Now I'm gonna go off camera and add a tad bit of highlighting concealer underneath my eyes. I'll be right back. And I'm back with some concealer. Now let's just mattify the face, and for that I'm going to use the Lotus Eco Stay pressed powder. This right here is in the shade Royal Ivory and is also slightly brightening on my skin tone. You see how the powder instantly mattified my face as compared to this side. It also gives like a soft focus blur effect. It literally provides the most ideal matte finish. Now to give some structure and color back to the face, I'm going to use a blush, and for that I'm using the Eco Stay Long Lasting Smooth Silky Blush. This one is in the shade Caffeine Love, and this is the beautiful muted pink blush. Just the kind of blush I know Kim would pick. Just gonna apply the blush where I would usually bronze to give that nice structure to the face as well alongside. Remember, since we are creating more of a new look, be soft and easy on the blush and you'll get the most perfect everyday rosy shade. I really like the semi-matte finish of the blush. It's just so easy to blend, gives the perfect amount of pigmentation. It's neither too pigmented nor is it like very little pigmented. It's just beautiful to blend into your base and make your skin look like one. Alright, and now it's time to let the eyes do the talking, and for that I'm going to use the Autumn Feel eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start and pick that medium brown shade and start packing it in my crease. And alongside packing the shade, I'm also going to use circular motions to slightly blend it out. So my preferable blending technique is a mixture of circular motions and windscreen wiper motions to really give it like that beautiful fade. Also, don't forget to smoke out your lower lash line as well with the same brown shade. And next up I'm going to add that beautiful champagne gold in the center of my eyelids. It looks absolutely stunning when the lights hit it. It just makes your eyes pop really well. And now to complete the eyes in Kim K style, I'm going to add loads and loads of mascara. And for that I'm going to use the Lotus Botanical Mascara. It's a beautiful volumizing mascara. This also provides a lot of length to my lashes. Just going to give these babies a generous coat of mascara. My lashes look so pretty and doll-like. I'm in love, Lotus. So for the lips, I'm going to start with the Eco Stay Butter Matte Lip Color in the shade Peach Pomelo and start by lining and slightly filling in my lips. And further to neutralize the lip, I'm going to use the Pure Colors Matte Lip Color in the shade Perky Peach to get that perfect peachy nude. I really hope some of these makeup techniques were a breath of fresh air for you. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in our next one. For now, goodbye.